Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan, marhaban bikum. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn family members and relatives in Arabic, inshallah. Ana, I or me. Jaddun, Jaddun, both are grandfathers from mother and father side. Jaddatun, grandmother, and also Jaddatun, grandmother from mother side. Abun or walidun, father. Ammun, paternal uncle, uncle from father side. Ammatun, paternal auntie, auntie from father side. Ummun or walidatun, mother. Khalun, maternal uncle, uncle from mother side. Khalatun, maternal auntie, auntie from mother side. Akhun or ibnun, son or brother. He is my brother or he is my father's son. Ukhtun or ibnatun, daughter or sister. She is my sister or she is my father's daughter. Ibnu or ibnatu, ammin, ammatin, khalin or khalatin. All these means cousin, female or male cousin. Ibnu ammin, male cousin. Ibnatu ammin, female cousin. Ibnu akhin or ukhtin, nephew. Ibnu akhin or ukhtin, nephew, my brother's or sister's son. Ibnatu akhin or ukhtin, niece, my brother's or sister's daughter, niece. Akhu zawjin or zawjatin, brother-in-law, husband or wife's brother, brother-in-law. Ukhtu zawjin or zawjatin, sister-in-law, husband or wife's sister, sister-in-law. Zawjun, husband. Zawjatun, wife. Hamun, father-in-law. Hamatun, mother-in-law. Hafidun, grandson. And finally, Hafidatun, granddaughter. I hope this lesson was beneficial. See you next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.